In the Python, you might understand that you can declare variables. In Java and C and other programming languages, you have to declare whether the particular variable to a particular type. In Python, you have to understand variables just containers to store values. In other words, variables are simply like a shopping bag. When you go to a mall or a supermarket, you put various food items in the shopping bag. You are not getting different types of shopping bag for different types of food. For example, for vegetables, fruits, beverages, meat, and other products, you are not going to use separate bags. You are going to use the same bag for all the items to insert. In this case, variables are similar. Variables are just a bag. Variables can hold string values, integer values, float values, and even boolean values. You can put any types of data inside the variable. You don't need to name that particular variable. This is a string variable. This is a integer variable. No, you don't have to do that. You can simply store any shit inside the variable. For example, let's say you can, the my name is just a simple variable here. For first of all, how we are going to declare a variable? Let's declare animal as the variable. Animal as the variable. Now you have write the variable. Now you have to assign the variable. Let's assign. We need to assign string. Let's delete these items. We don't need it. Another thing to mention, you comment in Python by using this. For example, you can simply make this statement into a comment by using this. Comments are not executed in the program. Now let's provide animal. In the animal, let's say elephant. Now let's print this. If you print out, says elephant. Now you can simply change the type of the data animal into 56. I mean, this is the same variable, same bag in another name. First you printed it as a string value. Now you're going to print it as an integer value. Let's see whether it will print or not. It should print. Yeah, I mean, the same animal variable managed to print elephant at the beginning, a string value, and in the next time it printed out an integer value. I mean, we can even change it to let's say a float value 45.69, and let's print it out. Animal, yeah, it does the same thing. And we are talking about variables and the data types, and you might wonder, this is the integer data type, this is a string data type. When you provide a string data type, you need to enclose it within quotation, or double quotation or single quotation. In here we're going to quote it in single quotation lion, and we can print out with an issue. You can run the program by entering shift plus 10 or using this small green colored triangle. And let's say there's another data type called boolean values. Let's assign a new this animal. Okay, animal is how we're going to assign. If you say as true, this won't work. In Python, you have to assign boolean values true as like this. The first letter must be capitalized, and you can same thing applies to false. You have to capitalize the first letter, and then you can print out like this. I mean, in this case, what you expect to be print out, since the first time is assigned as true, the second time is assigned as false, so in this line it should be printed as false. Yeah, I mean, if you want to print it as true as well, you can simply put this code in here and it will print it like this. Yeah, Animal true, then you print this as true. Animal false, this print false. For now, what's the conclusion? Conclusion is animal is just a bag. A bag, a bag. A bag which is used to store different types of value, whether they could be integers, strings, float values, Boolean values. It doesn't matter which types of value, can store any value in the same row. You don't have to declare which types of data can be stored in this particular variable in Python. And you don't need to have semicolons in Python as well. So if you have any question, please make sure to comment down below and I'll see through it. Thank you.